The other tutorial was 20 minutes and you don't have time for that, so here's a speed run. If you want more in depth, you can watch the other one. I got Earth, and I'm going to zoom into North Campus, UB. Let's get some Ellicott. Okay, I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to use this photo. Let's see if this even works. Let's screenshot that. Copy. Go into this. New. Enter. Paste. Go back over here. Click this. Remember Window, Workspace, Essentials? Do that. This button. Click this. I probably made that window a little too big. It's going to take some time. Okay, there it goes. And it's selecting that whole thing, but what if I don't want that whole thing? So I'm just going to hold Alt while I select, and I'm just going to get the basics. I can also do the quick selection tool, and I'm just kind of going little by little bit. And when that happens, I'm just going to let it be like that. Unselect this. Is anything selected? Let's try this again. Here we go. Okay. Almost. There we go. And let's unselect that a little bit. Okay, let's paste that. Let's see if it's good. Good enough. Okay. Paste it in here. Scale it, or put it as a smart object, then scale it, holding shift, keep it proportional, or have this checked, and let's put it in there. That way it can be like that. Okay, but we want to put it behind this other stuff. So I'm going to go to this, I'm going to select this stuff. This is the quick selection tool. I'm just like holding shift and selecting things that it'll select everything there by accident, and I need to unclick that. Make sure it's just what I want here. Okay, how's that? Let's see. Let's see if I object selection tool and then add the rest of it. We'll just copy paste, see that. So this is what I just took out, and that's that. I'm just going to put this in front of that in the order of it. It's pretty okay. You can go to the, should be labeling these, model Ellicott front, Ellicott back, and let's see, vibrance. Oh, this is the actual Ellicott campus itself. It's not what I wanted to change. I want to change that. Vibrance. Okay, and let's just get a layer style. It's a little bit of drop shadow. It's probably too much there. Size, angle, distance. You see this shadow right there? That means that there's some pixels there that I need to erase. So if I, yeah, you see this little outline? So I can leave that just so I can go back, and I have to rasterize the layer before I can erase these completely. There we go. Okay, so now there aren't stray pixels making some drop shadow. Hide this bit. Maybe like this, just subtle, just something that I can say it makes it a little bit clearer, and make this other thing also give a little bit of a shadow there. Though because I only took this like piece, it's like adding a shadow here, which I don't necessarily want. Is that better than nothing? Tiny bit. Just leave that, that's fine. Whatever. Is that it? Maybe so. Do I want to emphasize this? I mean, I can just take this whole thing, duplicate it just to see what it looks like, and bring the saturation all the way down. Though I'd have to do the same for this. So if I duplicate this, hide one of them, bring this one's saturation down, then now I'm getting like a version of this one. But I could go with what effects we got. Oh, because I made it not a smart layer anymore. Those other effects were. So if I want to just like make this brighter, I'll probably leave this like that. I don't know if, you know, I would like this, but I'm just showing you that you could do lots of stuff with it. I'll just leave it like that. You get it. That's the speed run. How long did I take? 6.5 minutes?